Restoration Hardware, which I've never actually been to. And then there's loads more home places like Pottery Barn and West Elm and Sonoma and things like that, Crate and Barrel. So yeah, we're going to go look at some of the homeware places today. So yeah, that'll be fun. So yeah, we're just going to go to Restoration Hardware first and then go to all the other ones. So yeah. So we are here now at the Restoration Hardware. Look, the building is so cool. It's like this big sort of, it looks like a big kind of mansion. So yeah, I think we're going to go into here now and look at some home bits. I've never been to Restoration Hardware and I've always wanted to go to one because they just look so amazing. So yeah, and we don't have these in the UK, so yeah, I'm going to go and check it out. It's so crazy. Isn't it like a big like haunted house or something? You know, it's like mad. Definitely my vibe. I love the crystals. I like this big gold Sputnik thing up here. I've got a coffee table like this at home. I really like it. I think they've got some smaller ones over here maybe. Yeah, they've got these here, look. They look like our coffee table at home. Quite like that. Up here is like a rooftop or something. Look at the view, it's so cool. It's amazing up here, look. I guess this is like all the garden furniture as well. Look at the view. So we are back at the Cheesecake Factory now. That was Restoration Hardware. It's really, really cool. I wanted to get some cheesecake because I didn't get any last night because I was too full with everything I ordered. I didn't even eat everything I ordered. So yeah, I thought we'd stop off at this Cheesecake Factory so I can actually have some cheesecake, and that's all I'm going to have today. Because every time I come here, I never get the cheesecake because I always get too full on the main. So yeah, I'm just going to get cheesesteak today. So yeah, we're going to stop off here and then we're going to go to a few other home places and maybe Target as well. So here is my s'mores cheesecake. I'm finally going to get to eat some cheesecake here because I've never had it. It looks really good. Looks good, doesn't it? I should get some more Coke. Good.
They're good.
I think I made a good choice. I've been defeated. Even though I've literally ate nothing else today, I still cannot finish this. Like, it's insane. It's too much food for me. I do not know how people come to Cheesecake Factory and have a main and the cheesecake, because I can't even manage the cheesecake on its own. Oh. We just went to Target and got a few things. We're now here at Sonoma and Pottery Barn, so we're going to have a look. Here's Sonoma. We'll have a look in here. We're absolutely melting, can't wait to get in to the air conditioning. But yeah, here it is. Never been to one of these before. So yeah, we're just in here now, looking around. I've never been in here, it's all like kitchen stuff, so yeah. They've got some Halloween bits.
I'll be up here. We're okay, thank you very much.
This little pumpkin is cute. Oh. Look at these mugs, bitch. They're like cauldrons. That's really cool, isn't it? $14.90. I like those. Little pumpkins. They've got like food bits as well. Oh, look at these. Candy corn. Marshmallows or something? I don't know. Look, they've got more like cauldron-y things. What's this? Hot chocolate cauldron. Look at this little pumpkin punch bowl. How cool is that? It's a punch bowl, look, and they've got the little pumpkin glasses as well. I like those. So they've got all of these scents and hand washes and hand cream. They've got this pumpkin spice dish soap, like washing up liquid. It actually smells amazing. And they've got this one as well, which is like, I guess a winter one for like Christmas. Winterberry. Spiced chestnut as well. Halloween stuff here. Pumpkin gummies. Love it. These. Oh, look at these. They're so cute. Chocolate ghosts. But yeah, let's go into Pottery Barn and see what they have in here. So they have this little pumpkin display at the front door. These are cool. It's like a little, oh, it's a candle. We came at the right time for all this autumn stuff. There's more here. Oh look, Rich, they've got like these pumpkins. These are like the ones from West Elm. Maybe get these instead. Cute. Oh, they've got big ones as well, look. Look at this one. That's cool, isn't it? How much is that? Those are good. One of these little ones. Those are good as well. Love it. Oh, we might need to get this blanket. It's amazing. I love it. Feels amazing as well. Don't see where it is. See how much this one is. 129. I don't know if they've got the grey. Look, they've got this casserole dish. It's absolutely amazing. Oh no, it's not a casserole dish. I don't know, maybe it is, or a punch bowl, I don't know. And these. The blankets are amazing. Did you see the grey one over there? I love it. It's a different kind of style to West Elm, isn't it? It's like a bit more, it's a bit more like chilled colour palette, you know? Cushion's cute. Look, this ghost plate.
Don't you hate when that happens? No, we aren't expecting to see, you know. And then you just dwell and dwell and dwell until you find something else.
They've got this Thanksgiving table as well, which is really cute with a big turkey on it. And these little turkeys, salt and peppers. Okay, so we are here now at West Elm and these other shops. And there's a Crate and Barrel behind me as well. Yeah, there it is. It's so bright today, can't see anything. So yeah, we're gonna go into West Elm, see what it's like here, see what else we can find, maybe some more pumpkin stuff, I don't know, we will see what they've got. There's some pumpkins there. So yeah, here it is. Yeah, they've got these glass pumpkins, which are quite cute, but I'm not sure they would get home in one piece. I don't think they'd get home in one piece, do you? I like this bench. I saw this in London. This is the one I was showing you in London. Look. Our sofa that we have. This sofa. Yes. I think this is quite nice. Yeah. It's all exactly the same as the UK. I thought they might have some pumpkins and stuff, but they don't. So here's Crate and Barrel. Let's go in here. West Elm was a little bit disappointing. It was exactly the same as it is in the UK. And I thought they would have some pumpkins and things because they had like some on the website, but they didn't really have anything autumny or anything. So let's look in Crate and Barrel now. It's big. More pumpkins. No pumpkins in West Elm though. They did have some on the website, but they had very few things that they have on the website. All these other places, all their competition have got like all these nice autumn tables and things. No, it is a bit more simple. More pumpkins. Oh, these ones are cute, look. Have I? It's so like sunny out today. Have I got some colour, you think? Some more Halloween-y bits. I like this little sofa. That's a really cute sofa. It looks super cozy. See the fabric. It's nice. Yeah, I like the bar cart thing. Okay, so this is downtown Summerlin. Is that what it's called? That's where we are. This is a list of all the shops that they have. It's quite a lot. I don't know where this Nordstrom Rack is. I'm trying to find it. But yeah, these are all the shops they have. There's quite a lot of stuff here. Okay, so here is Anthropologie. We'll go in here now and see what they've got. So yes, this is some pumpkin candles. I got this from last year. They've got a lot more clothing in this one than they do in the ones in the UK, which is really weird. Like, yeah, not as much home stuff, but I actually like the home bits in here. I don't actually like the clothes. That's quite cute. Yeah, I wanted to check out these because we don't have these in the UK. And they have them at Anthropologie here. The vanilla, I've never tried it. It's supposed to be nice. For some reason they don't have them at the Anthropologie in the UK, so I'm going to try it. See what I think. Okay, so we're going to go into Bath and Body Works again. I want to get a candle. They've got the candles for like $6.95 or something on sale, like the small jars, so I'm going to get one. So yeah, they have these ones on sale for $6.95. Yeah, this one, the white pumpkin, is nice. I think I'm going to get this one, pumpkin bonfire. It smells really good. Okay, Okay, so we're now going to go into Nordstrom Rack, which is over here, which is like an outlet version of Nordstrom. We'll see what we can find in here, and then I think we're going to go back to the Aria after that, because yeah, it's quite hot. We've done a lot of shopping today. There's so much stock in here, like the shelves are absolutely rammed. I've never been in one of these, and the shelves are absolutely overflowing. So we're back at the hotel now. We're going to go for Thai food downstairs just because it's easy and we can't be bothered to go anywhere else. So yeah, and then we're going to go to sleep and pack. I need to pack, I haven't packed yet, and the lift's closed on me. Yeah, so
going down.
I need to pack, I haven't packed anything yet, so I'm just gonna go get some food and then I need to pack. But I'm really tired because it was so hot today, wasn't it? So they've got this amazing display by the restaurant. I don't know where the restaurant is. Oh, it's over there, that's where we're going, lemongrass. And they've got this like pumpkin display. This giant pumpkin. It's a bit like the one they had in the Bellagio the other day. It's cute, right? Because yeah, it's nice. I feel like it's been a very pumpkin-y day actually. These look really nice, you know? Yeah. Okay, so we are just on our way to the bag check to drop our bags off. We are leaving today, but we've got a bit of time before our flight. The flight is like 9:30 tonight, so we have got some time. So yeah, we might go down to the Las Vegas sign and maybe go to Jack in the Box, because I've never tried Jack in the Box. So yeah, we might do that before we get on our flight later on, back to London. So yeah, we're leaving the Aria. We'll be back to pick up our bags and then head to the airport a bit later. So yeah. Oh, look at that. That looks really good, doesn't it? You're not a fan? So we're just having a look around some of the other casinos. This is the Luxor. And then yeah, we're going to keep looking at some of the other ones and then go back to the hotel and go to the airport. S'mores shake, that sounds good. I need that. I didn't get my churro shake at Sonic, did I? So we are here at the Dairy Queen in the Excalibur. I'm trying to try like as many American fast food places as I can while I'm here. And I've never tried Dairy Queen. Look, they've got cinnamon roll centers. I don't know what that means. That sounds good. So yeah, I'm going to try their, I think, yeah, their blizzards. Thank you. Nice. Okay, so I'm now in the airport at Las Vegas. I'm in the duty free. The duty free is very small here compared to the one at Heathrow, which is much better, to be honest. I think my camera is actually running out of battery, so I might not be able to film anything else. But yeah, they've got Chanel and a few other things. I'm just going to go around here, and then I'm going to get on the flight back to the UK. So yeah. They've got creme de la mer in here as well, but I got some of this on the way out. Oh look, they've got Hermes fragrances there, look. And yeah, the Chanel counter over here. But I don't think it's worth buying anything because the conversion rate on everything is so expensive here that I'm not even sure with the discount that it would actually save me any money. So yeah. So we're on the flight now. Already got the menu, so I thought I would show you the menu. So yeah, this is the menu going back. I much prefer this menu than when we came out. So there's beef for dinner, and then, yeah, well, I'm gonna get beef, and then you can get all cod and wild mushroom and green pea risotto, but I don't want that. And burrata, and then some chocolate hazelnut mousse. And then this is another meal later on, and I'll probably get the salmon then, because yeah, I don't really want curry, so yes. But I also really want to go to sleep because it's like 9:30 now, and I don't know what time that is in the UK, but it's quite late, so yeah. So this is what the seat looks like. We've got this little cubby hole with the amenity kit in it. There's also a mirror here, I didn't notice that last time. That's quite cool. So yeah, and then the bedding again, which wasn't the best on the way out. And then yeah, see what films they have. I'm probably just going to go to sleep. Okay, so this is the dinner that we've got on the flight. Yes, it's very blue lighting. I haven't changed the lighting, so you just have to deal with this. But yeah, it's beef and fillet beef, and this is some kind of cheese, some kind of cake. I don't know, can't really remember. So that is white chocolate hazelnut mousse, and then we got the burrata, yeah, and then a cheese board and some bread. And this bread actually looks nice. The bread on the flight on the way out was horrible. I didn't like it. So yeah, I'm going to try this now. So we're off the flight now. I slept like the entire flight for like 6 hours. That was our plane there. So yeah, right after dinner I just went straight to sleep and slept the whole time basically. So yeah.